Are you struggling to understand conversations in your target language? This video will improve your listening skills using practice dialogues. How do you know if your language skills are improving? Our team of teachers have designed a free quiz to determine your actual learning level. So click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for you. In this lesson, you'll listen to a dialogue with the text. Second, you'll review the key vocabulary, followed by the English translations. And finally, you'll review the dialogue with the text again to master what you learned. First, listen to the dialogue with the text on the screen.
我告诉过你坐地铁，
出租车应该快来了，
已经半个小时了，
再等5分钟。
根本没车，我们坐巴士吧。
哎，那儿有一个，别人打了。
Now you'll hear the key vocabulary, followed by the English translation.
打
To flag down.
巴士
Bus.
根本
At all.
出租车
Cab.
交通
Transportation.
地铁
Subway.
别人
Somebody else.
告诉
To tell.
Finally, let's review the dialogue again. See if you can understand more this time.
我告诉过你坐地铁，
出租车应该快来了，
已经半个小时了，
再等5分钟。
根本没车，我们坐巴士吧。
哎，那儿有一个，别人打了。
This is the end of the lesson. In this lesson, you improved your listening and mastered key vocabulary for everyday life conversation. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free assessment and unlock lessons that are right for your learning level. Keep practicing and move on to the next lesson.